All right, tonight's lesson, 4.4 and 4.5, page 100, principal parts of verbs. Every verb has four parts called its principal parts: present, present participle, past, and past participle. The principal parts are used to make all of the forms and tenses of a verb. So take a look at this chart. You have each form of the verb: present, present participle, past, and past participle. What do you notice about changing each verb? So you have the present tense, sail, just an example. To make it present participle, you have the helping verb is, and you have the ing suffix at the end, is sailing. Okay, past, you would add an ed to sail. So it's something that's already happened. It becomes past tense, you add an ed. Past participle, you have the helping verb has in front of it, has sailed. So you'll see this pattern. The participles have the helping verbs in front of them. So practice, make sure you do this. Sometimes students will skip this part because they think the practice comes at the end, but I want you to look at this chart. I want you to choose two action verbs of your own and create a chart like the one above. So choose an action verb and show me the present participle, the past, and the past participle. So your chart's going to look just like mine, only you're going to have two different action verbs. We have regular verbs. A verb whose past and past participle are formed by adding ed or d to the present. It forms a present participle by adding ing to the present, and that's how you make your participles. Like I just talked about, you either add an ed to the past or you add an ing to the present, and then it becomes a participle. Now you've also had irregular verbs, and that irregular verbs begin on page 102. Irregular verbs are what lesson 4.5 are all about. So verbs whose past and past participle forms are not made by adding ed or d to the present. There are many, many, many of them listed on page 102. A couple of them would be burst. So our past tense is not bursted. It is still burst. And then the past participle is has burst. Okay, and then the next one, bring. We don't say bringed, we say brought. And take is another example. We don't say taked. What do we say instead of take? We say took or has taken. So another practice, think of and list at least 3 irregular verbs. Put them in present, past, and past participle forms. And that is all for 2 lessons. We did it in 3 minutes. So good luck and be ready to ask questions if you have any tomorrow. Have a good night.